Should kids learn artificial intelligence before they learn programming? Many parents, students, and educators are asking the same question. Let's dig in. Should kids learn AI before coding? 10 years ago, the answer was easy: learn to code. Today, it's not so simple. AI can already write code in seconds. So does coding still matter? Absolutely. But here's what's changing. In the future, the most valuable skill may not be writing every line of code. It may be knowing how to solve problems, how to think logically, and how to work with AI. Think of coding like learning math. You don't learn it just to calculate numbers, you learn it to train your brain. Coding teaches logic, structure, problem solving. AI doesn't replace those skills, it builds on them. The best developers of the future won't just know programming, they'll know how to direct AI, verify its work, and turn ideas into real products. So, should kids learn AI before coding? Probably not. They should learn both. Because coding teaches you how computers think. AI teaches you how to make computers work for you. The future won't belong to people who only know AI or only know coding. It will belong to those who understand both.